call, I prepared
Only
it.
you were.
Only you
I'm the
know.
only one who did not know, and my sisters and my cousin sisters. None of the girls knew.
Anyone who would tell you plus
Any
your
Rahman's
gang.
daughter did not know. None of the Rahman daughters knew. Bhabis knew, brothers knew, everybody knew, but not.
So it's like perfectly thought of, right? To hide it from you.
And then
I
what happened?
was
He
like,
said,
and I was like, no,
we
no,
should have
no.
another emotion on our face.
Yeah,
Sorry about that.
yeah, no, I had no idea. I'm so used to
But
this.
this is a podcast.
Yeah,
man.
I
This is
know.
still, like-
Yeah, so it's just that, then I was like, no, this, and then he freaked out and he said, what do you mean? I'm like, I didn't know. He's like, why? He's like, what do you mean by you don't know? I was like, I didn't know this was happening. Then he's like, shit. And then I was like, this is crazy. So I made my cousin sisters and my sisters, I'm like, go get his number.
Like,
I was like, go get
That's what he
his
said.
number.
Man,
He said
just
to be
watch,
emotion. I'm
bro.
putting
Yeah,
emotion.
bye bye.
Yeah.
Come into it, bro. Come on.
Yeah, so I was like, go get his number and then I'll text him and I'll tell him this is whatever.